Okay. Now explain what this is.
It's a potato cannon. I'm using a barbecue lighter where one of the, I don't know, positive or negative is touching the metal. The other one's here. And there's a bit of a space because I put all that tape there. So the spark will jump to the metal inside and set off the fumes.
And then that is the cannon there. It's held into the center of the tire and goes through. The last few times it went way over there. I think they were very successful. That was in the bucket.
Alright, now I need to seal this end, but
Therein lies the...
tape might not be the best solution, but, well, you know what, the tape will hold stronger than the potato in the barrel, so it'll be fine.
You need to be able to push the button from a long distance
No, don't.
and then run.
Well, I could extend this, but that would make it way less exciting.
That's exciting, yeah. This is very exciting.